or used in accordance with the dates and times set out in this MOA. No restriction to traffic flow is permitted outside of this period. Normal traffic flow must be restored after each period in which works are conducted. The applicant is required to obtain written approval from any public transport authorities that may be affected prior to the implementation or use of TCDS or the conduct of traffic management activities. This MOA does not discharge any approvals required to be sought from council in respect to the TCDS to be implemented or used, or the conduct of traffic management activities or works. All emergency services must be notified of the implementation or use of TCDS, or the conduct of traffic management activities resulting in altered traffic conditions at least 48 hours prior to implementation or use of the TCDS, or the conduct of traffic management activities via the following email addresses: road closures at ambulance.vic.gov.o, state events at police.vic.gov.o, ESAT hot fire supervisors at esta.vic.gov.o, central at ses.vic.gov.o. A written notification must be sent to all property occupiers who will have direct access to their property prevented by TCDS or traffic management activities at least 48 hours prior to the implementation or use of the TCDS, or the conduct of traffic management activities. Continuing access must be provided for all properties unless alternative arrangements acceptable to the occupiers are made. Any lawful directions of members of the Victoria Police, emergency services personnel, or department authorized officers must be complied with at all times. The TM must ensure that there are no conflicts between posted speed limit signs and temporary speed limit signs during periods in which works are conducted. Conflicting signs within the work site must be covered during periods in which works are conducted, if required. The TM must ensure that any support vehicle or equipment under its control must not occupy, restrict, or otherwise affect the remaining lanes other than as authorized under this MOA. An OTCD may be attached to any road furniture, structure, pole, tree, or other item to be erected unless written approval is obtained from the relevant authority. The TM must reinstate any of the departments or HTFVS assets that may be removed, modified, or damaged as a result of any act associated with the implementation or use of TCDS or the conduct of traffic management activities, to the satisfaction of and at no cost to the department or HTFV. The TMI and the TMP designer must each have public liability insurance policies for implementing and using TCDS and conducting traffic management activities under this MOA of not less than $20 million, including full indemnity